Welcome. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Tom, and I'm David. We're really happy you're here today. Today's topic is very simple, but very important. Yes. Today we talk about your day, your daily routine, what you do every day. This is real English. You can use it every day. At home, at work, with friends. Before we start, a small favor. If you like this podcast, please like the episode, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us. And write a comment. We love reading your comments. Okay, relax. Get comfortable. Listen first, then repeat, then listen again. Daily routine in English, morning. Let's start with the morning. Morning is when you wake up. Listen first. I say a sentence. I wake up at 7. Good. Now you say it. Great job. Again. I wake up at 7. You can change the time. I wake up at 6. I wake up at 8. Very good. After you wake up, what do? I say I brush my teeth. Repeat with us. I brush my teeth. Nice. Simple English, real English. Next sentence. I take a shower. Or you can say, I take a bath. Repeat slowly. I take a shower. Now breakfast. Listen. I eat breakfast. Simple. Now, with detail, my breakfast is simple. Example. My quick breakfast is a banana. That sounds real, right? Yes, you don't need big words. Let's practice together. My breakfast is... You choose the food. Great. You're doing amazing. Going out, work, study. After breakfast, many people go out. Listen. I go to work. Or I go to school. Repeat. Both I go to work. I go to school. How do you go? Good question. Listen. I go by bus. I go by train. I walk. Nice speaking. Now a full sentence. I go to work by bus. Again, I go to work by bus. Now let's talk about daytime. At work or school. Listen, I work on my computer or I study English. That's a good one. Repeat slowly. Both I study English. Good job. You're improving already. Lunchtime. Listen, I eat lunch. Add detail. I eat lunch with my friends, or I eat lunch at home. Your turn. I eat lunch. Perfect. In the afternoon, many people feel tired. Yes, listen, I feel tired. Repeat. I feel tired. What do? I drink tea. I drink coffee. Or, I take a short break. Great sentence. Repeat. I take a short break. David. Now evening. Evening is after work. Listen. I go home. Simple. Very common. I relax. I watch TV. I talk with my family. Let's make a full sentence. In the evening, I relax. Repeat. In the evening, I relax. That night, we get ready to sleep. Listen. I eat dinner. I use my phone. I read a book. Before sleeping, I go to bed. Very important sentence. Let's say it together. I go to bed. Full daily routine practice. Now listen to a full routine. Listen only. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I relax in the evening. I go to bed. Now listen again. Same sentences. Slow. Now, your turn. Pause the podcast. Say your day. It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes mean learning. Wrap up, recap, and connection. Great job today. You learned how to talk about your day. Let's recap. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I relax. I go to bed. Simple English, real English. Now a question for you. Tell us in the comments. But what time do you wake up? Write one sentence. We will read it. Thank you for learning with us. You're doing great. Section 1, asking about someone's day. Now listen to this question. How is your day? Very common question. Repeat with me. How is your day? Good. Again, how is your day? Now answers. Listen. My day is good. My day is good. Other answers. My day is busy. My day is okay. My day is not bad. Your turn. My day is nice. That's real English. Section 2, talking about today. Now let's talk about today. Listen carefully. Today, I wake up early. Repeat slowly. Both. Today, I wake up early. Another example. Today I work from home. Or today I go to the office. Repeat one sentence. Very good, you're speaking English. Section 3, now listen to a short conversation. Just listen first. Hey David, how is your day? Hi Tom, my day is good. What do you do today? I work on my computer. I eat lunch at home. Nice. Do you relax in the evening? Yes. I watch TV and relax. Slow. Now you speak. Pause the podcast. Be Tom or David. Don't worry about mistakes. Section 4, using first, then, after that. Now, very useful words. First, then, after that. Listen. First, I wake up. Then, I eat breakfast. After that, I go to work. Repeat together. Both first I wake up, then I eat breakfast. After that, I go to work. Now, make your own routine. First, then, after that. Excellent. You're building sentences. Section 5, about evening. Listen. In the evening, I feel tired. Repeat. In the evening, I feel tired. Another sentence. In the evening, I relax. Or, in the evening, I cook dinner. Your turn. Very nice. Section 6, night routine practice. At night, listen. At night, I eat dinner. At night, I use my phone. At night, I go to bed. Repeat slowly. At night, I go to bed. Full day. Now let's say a full day. Speak slowly with me. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I relax in the evening. I go to bed. Again, one more time. You are doing great. Really, this is how English improves. Wrap up, connection, and question. Today, you practiced talking about your day. You asked questions. You answered. You used real English. Now, a question for you. Tell us in the comments. Both, what do you do in the evening? David, write one simple sentence. Tom, example. In the evening, I relax. Thank you for learning with us. Keep practicing. You're improving every day. Section 1, talking about a busy day. Listen first. Today is a busy day. Repeat. Today is a busy day. Now add more. Today is a busy day. I have a lot of work. Repeat slowly. Today is a busy day. I have a lot of work. Other examples. Today is a long day. Today is a good day. Today is a hard day. Your turn. Today is a work day. Nice. That sounds natural. Section 2, talking about what you do at work. Now let's talk about work. Simple sentences. At work, I use a computer. Repeat. At work, I use a computer. More examples. At work, I talk to people. At work, I answer emails. At work, I help customers. Choose one. Good job. Now make a longer sentence. At work, I use a computer and answer emails. Repeat slowly. At work, I use a computer and answer emails. Section 3, real conversation. Now listen to a longer conversation. Just listen first. Hi, David. How is your day today? Hi, Tom. My day is busy. Why is it busy? I have a lot of work. I use my computer and answer emails. Do you eat lunch at work? Yes, I eat lunch at work. My lunch is simple. What is your lunch? My quick lunch is rice and vegetables. That sounds good. Now listen again. Slow. Now you speak. Pause the podcast. Be Tom or David. Speak slowly. It's okay. Section 4, talking about feelings during the day. Now let's talk about feelings. Very important. Listen. In the morning, I feel fresh. In the morning, I feel fresh. Other feelings. In the afternoon, I feel tired. In the evening, I feel relaxed. Repeat 1. Great speaking. Now a full sentence. In the evening, I feel tired but relaxed. Repeat slowly. In the evening, I feel tired but relaxed. Section 5, talking about after work. After work, what do you do? Listen. After work, I go home. Repeat. After work, I go home. More examples. After work, I cook dinner. After work, I rest. After work, I meet friends. Your turn. After work, I diet. Very natural. Section 6, talking about the whole day. Past style, simple. Now let's talk about the whole day. David, simple style. Today, I wake up early. Then, I go to work. After that, I eat lunch. In the evening, I relax. At night, I go to bed. Repeat with us. Today I wake up early, then I go to work. After that, I eat lunch. In the evening, I relax. At night, I go to bed. Excellent. Say it again by yourself. Pause and speak. Section 7, asking follow-up questions. Now learn follow-up questions. Very useful. Listen, what do you do after work? Repeat, what do you do after work? Another question. How do you feel in the evening? Repeat. How do you feel in the evening? Answer examples. I feel tired. I feel relaxed. Good simple English? Final practice, speak with us. Let's speak together. Slow and clear. My day is busy. I work on my computer. I eat simple food. After work, I go home. In the evening, I relax. At night, I go to bed. Again, wrap up. You did amazing today. You spoke longer sentences. You had real conversations. Now tell us in the comments, is your day busy or relaxed? Write one sentence. Example, my day is busy. Keep practicing. English comes with daily use. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.